So this is the exit machine. First of all, there's a tube filled up with slides. This tube is 5 meters long, goes to the ceiling. So every slide is in line for the slide viewer over there. In the slide viewer, one by one, the slides are displayed, and this is filmed by a camera that's hanging up there. So the camera sends its signal to the computer and to the beamer and is displayed in the room. So as a user, you push and pull a lever to view a next slide. The old slide then gets sucked up by the two leaf blowers and eventually ends up in a shredder where the remains are displayed on a light table. So every time you view a new slide, the old slide gets destroyed.
Ja.